Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna make this look. It is so easy, everybody can do, including the beginner, as long as you have patience to do it. Before we jump into the video, please subscribe my channel. Alright, let's get started. For this look, we are going to use pencil liner from Wet n Wild. I'm gonna use this on my eyebrow. This is black, like the darkest black ever, so you don't want to give too much to your eyebrow. And now, using this pulley, we are going to blend them out. So for the eyeshadow, I will using this e.l.f. gel liner as my eyeshadow by using this brush, like a flat brush. It's just regular flat brush, there is no brand, and put it on your eyelid. Put it slowly so you won't get it messed. If messed, we'll have to start over again and again, and it's so annoying. Just try to, you don't need to be so neat, but just try to not make mess all around, like here and here. It will be unnecessary to do again. By using this blending brush, big blending brush, I'm gonna blend this all. This blending brush I got from Amazon, BS small brush. You can just search there in Amazon. It was just like $10 and you get like 15 brush, and it's soft, it's not scratchy at all. And now by using this brush, it's a blending brush actually from Masami's Shuko. I bought this in Indonesia. This actually somewhat scratchy and somewhat costly than that BS small. I'm gonna blend my eyeshadow at the top here on my crease and up by using this from Ofra. This actually blush, but it's too pop on me, so I cannot use it on blush. I can just use this for my eyeshadow. So on my crease here, I'm adding my color. I'm adding this Ofra color. This called watermelon. Now with my highlighter from e.l.f., I'm gonna add in the middle of my eyelid, so where your eyeball pop there, by only using my finger. I'm not using brush, just kind of tap. So now with the real technique, I'm gonna add the gel liner from e.l.f. under my eyelid, my lower lid. The next step is we curl our lashes. And we use the mascara. I'm using Maybelline mascara because it's affordable and works. So, and the lower lashes too. And now I'm gonna add my fake lashes. We'll be back. And now we just need to put on our foundation. My foundation is almost over, so I'm just kind of digging it up and put it on my face. By using this brush, flat brush, I'm gonna blend my foundation. Here I have e.l.f. stipple brush, the bigger one, and we're just do like this. So we gonna bronze our face. We are going to use the blush. I'm just using this, the e.l.f. stipple brush, but the smaller one, with e.l.f. again, blush palette. I'm gonna use this one here. I'm gonna sweep it around my cheek. I'm not usually use blush more because my face get red so easily in hot conditions, so I will just use a little bit of blush. Alright, see, I just use small. I don't like to be more, but if you guys like blush, you can use it more. I like to use highlighter, the same highlighter as our eyeshadow from e.l.f. I'm just using my hand, just little bit like this, and kind of tap on your cheekbone. For the lips, I'm gonna use my lip liner from Italia Deluxe. Here, this one I got from Amazon. The color is brown. It's a Wet n Wild number 901B. I'm gonna put it in middle of my lips like this. And kind of blend them out. That's it. It's easy, right? So all the product I use is actually a drugstore, excluding the Ofra. That Ofra is actually I got from Ipsy long ago when I was still in Ipsy membership, but now I'm done with Ipsy because it's just I don't need anymore, so I stopped. So that Ofra is so powerful for me because it's too you know, bright for my skin, so I just use it for my eyeshadow. Yeah, overall everything is drugstore, Ofra, and the Amazon product. You can have that lip liner. I will link the description below. And for you, the beginner, some beginner they you don't have brush or something, just do with your hand. Your hand is the most, you know, valuable thing from God given to you, so just use your hand to blend in everything. Just make sure everything not mess. Try it slowly so it won't be messy everywhere. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and again, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.